Hi guys, this is Chuck Atkinson with Advanced Graphics, a small sign shop in Winchester, Virginia. This is Oliver, my little mascot and buddy that hangs around with me all the way. I want to show you a little fun today I had with the IJ35C. Customer brought in something that I'm sure you're going to recognize. You've seen this in just about every store that you've ever been in. It's a Red Bull refrigerator. Well, this guy happens to make salsa, and he decided to have a little bit of fun with these because he takes them out on trade shows on the weekends and things like that. So what we're going to do is have a little fun with it and make it look a little bit different. Basically, you need your typical equipment, a squeegee right now, and that's about it. But I'm going to show you a cool way just for an idea of what to do with, already have the graphics taped up, which we all know how to do that. This is IJ35C with the matching laminate recommended to use. I'm going to make sure that we're peeled off here. Get it started. All right, here we go. Basically, it's just a great idea for how to recycle some old equipment and use it for your own purposes. The air egress on this material is awesome. It works so well, makes it easy to install it. Alright, just squeegee in right on down. Pretty quick, easy to install. I clean the surface on the refrigerators really well. Got a little bubble under there. There we go. Okay. Here we go, the fun part. Now on my design, I'll put the bleed over where I get just a little small amount of wrap on this side, and then on this side I left it where to wrap over a little bit further, probably about an inch, and I left some hangs on the bottom so I can cut the edges and fold it under. Now obviously I'll spend a little bit of time with the heat gun, heating it in, making everything nice and smooth. But as you can see, we're recycling these refrigerators that were bought at an auction, and when we finish, here's what you get. Oh, better spin on around a little more. So you've got a custom Dos Locos Gringos from Stevens City, Virginia, right down the road, who custom make salsa. And again, I'm Chuck Atkinson with Advanced Graphics in Winchester, Virginia. Having a little fun, my first YouTube video. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Say goodbye to Oliver. Take care. See you soon. Where's the stop button?